Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Steam Gems. Steam Gems are a unique virtual currency within the Steam ecosystem, offering several uses for players. Primarily, they are essential for crafting game booster packs, which can provide valuable trading cards. Additionally, during special Steam events, gems can be used to bid on games or other exclusive items. Understanding how to acquire these gems is key to leveraging their full potential on the platform, enhancing your gaming experience and collection. One of the most straightforward ways to acquire Steam Gems is by converting items directly from your Steam inventory. Many common items, such as duplicate trading cards, emoticons, and profile backgrounds, are eligible for conversion. Simply access your inventory, select the item you wish to convert, and choose the Convert to Gems option. The number of gems you receive will depend on the item's current market value, so check before converting. Another effective method for obtaining Steam Gems involves crafting game badges. When you complete a set of trading cards for a game and craft its badge, you receive a random item, such as a profile background or an emoticon. These newly acquired items can then be converted into gems, similar to other inventory items. This process provides a dual benefit. You level up your Steam profile and gain valuable gems for future use. Beyond direct conversion and badge crafting, there are other avenues to consider for acquiring Steam Gems. Keep an eye out for special Steam sales and community events, as these often present opportunities to earn or win gems as rewards. Additionally, if you have extra funds, you could strategically purchase inexpensive items from the Steam community market specifically for the purpose of converting them into gems. Always compare market prices to maximize your gem yield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.